Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Moz Pro to track local keyword rankings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start tracking local keyword rankings in Moz Pro, first, log into your Moz Pro account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Rankings tab in the main dashboard. Click on the Add a Keyword button to input the keywords you want to track. In the keyword field, enter the local keywords that are relevant to your business. Next, specify the location you want to track those keywords for. This can be a city, a zip code, or a specific region where your business operates. After entering the location, select the search engine you want to track. Moz Pro allows you to track rankings on Google, Bing, and other search engines. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, hit the Save button. Your keywords will now be added to your track list. To view your keyword rankings, go back to the Rankings tab. You will see your local keywords listed along with their current rankings. Check the progress over time by selecting the appropriate date range. You can analyze changes in rankings and understand how local SEO strategies are performing. For deeper insights, use the Reports feature to generate detailed tracking reports. This will include data on search visibility and rankings trends. Make adjustments to your SEO strategies based on the insights gained from the reports. Regularly monitor your local keyword rankings to stay competitive. This ensures you keep optimizing to improve your online presence. By following these steps, you can effectively track local keyword rankings using Moz Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.